Ah, yes, lawn. Now, the principles of low water landscaping, also called xeriscaping, say that you can have lawn if you really want it, but it suggests that you put it in a place where you're going to use it. And my suggestion is that probably in front of a bunch of doctor's offices is not really the proper place for a lawn. Also, this lawn is on little mounds. So when you water it, where does the water run? Oh, off into the street? So this is not the best use of lawn in landscaping. You could have a very nice green ground cover. And the other thing is really those, instead of hillocks, there should be basins so that the water gathers as opposed to running off. Just an interesting look at some landscaping. This is very interesting. I was walking and noticing that the lawn was wet, and then the sprinklers turned on. And this is not a very efficient use of sprinklers because it's watering the pavement as opposed to just the lawn. So they need to adjust a little bit. But here's the real problem with sprinklers and lawn. 50% of that water evaporates. Well, maybe 50. That's in the shade, so let's say 30% of that water is going to evaporate before it actually gets down into the soil for the lawn to use. Just not the best use of low water landscaping. And as we can see, it's needs some work here, folks. Just a little work.